AutoFILL is a universal resin management system that brings hands-free automation, consistent results and reliability to every print. It automatically fills, cycles and empties your resin vat with built-in error detection to keep your print jobs flowing. Need full control? Switch to manual mode at the touch of a button. The Whisper Quiet peristaltic pump will draw resin from any size bottle or container, keeping your printer full, resin uniform and workspace residue-free. Choose the DIY kit and print the parts yourself, or get a fully assembled ready-to-use unit with a rotary dial LCD colour display with firmware updates and universal compatibility with any resin printer, adapting to any workspace. AutoFILL makes resin printing smarter, cleaner and more consistent. No spills, no fails, no fuss. Just non-stop 3D printing.